I tried Moola Market Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Moola Market Wallet app, I wasn't sure what I was getting into. It's a decentralized finance platform on the Celo network, and people online were calling it the next big thing in DeFi lending. But after using it for a full week, the shocking truth is that Moola Market is both brilliant and risky depending on how you use it. On day 1, setup was smooth. You connect a Celo wallet, like Valera or MetaMask, and instantly gain access to a lending and borrowing dashboard. It's sleek, simple and built for mobile. No confusing crypto jargon, just clean numbers and options. At day 3, I started lending Celo dollars and cost to earn interest. The returns were impressive, annual rates hovering around 5 to 8%, fluctuating with supply and demand. Most people get this wrong, but those rates aren't fixed. They change dynamically based on how many users are borrowing at the time. By day 5, I tested borrowing. Here's where it gets tricky. You can use your crypto as collateral to take loans, but if prices drop, your position can be liquidated instantly. That's the hidden risk most new users miss. Moola makes it look easy, but DeFi lending is not without danger. At day 7, the truth was clear. Moola Market is a powerful tool for earning passive income if you understand how it works. It's fast, transparent, and user-friendly. But like all DeFi apps, it demands responsibility. The shocking truth? Moola Market isn't for everyone. If you're careful and stay informed, it's an amazing way to put your crypto to work. But if you ignore market swings, it can cost you big. Use it wisely, and it just might surprise you.